Welcome to Mamut Tutorials. Today we will demonstrate how to enter timesheets in Mamut Online Desktop. We begin by logging into Mamut Online Desktop. Next we go to Work Areas and select Timesheet. We are presented with a flowchart of available functionality in the Online Timesheet module. We click on New Timesheet to create an empty timesheet. A new timesheet is shown. The timesheet does not have a reference number yet, and this will be allocated when the timesheet is synchronized into the main database. We enter in a description and a note. Before we begin completing the timesheet lines, we recommend checking the user settings are set according to your wishes. It is important that we save before we exit this screen. Once Save has been clicked, the synchronization of the timesheet will start. We now click on User Settings. It is important to go through all the settings so that the system is tailored to your use. We click on Save and Close to close the settings screen. We click on Add New to create an additional timesheet line. We can see that the default settings we made earlier are now automatically added to the timesheet line. We can create as many timesheet lines as we wish. It is important that you remember to save occasionally, as the system does not save changes automatically. When the timesheet is fully registered, we click on Complete. We can now choose whether to approve or reject the timesheet. Note that the choices are only available if we have specified in company settings that we wish to use the status Input Completed. Before we approve a timesheet, it can be wise to open a calendar view of registered hours so that we can check, for example, that no hours have been duplicated. To do this, we click on Calendar. We are able to choose between a day, week, or month view. We can access more detailed information about the entry by hovering the mouse pointer over it. We can also export the contents of the timesheet to Excel by clicking on Export. We now choose to approve this timesheet. This is the end of the registration of timesheets within Mamut Online Desktop. To transfer the timesheet lines to an order, we will need to log into Mamut Business Software. We are now viewing our locally installed Mamut application, and we have accessed the timesheet we approved in Mamut Online Desktop. The timesheet can be found under the status Ready for Transfer. To transfer the hours to an order, we click on Transfer to Order / Project Module, followed by Transfer. Timesheet has now acquired the status Process Complete. We have now shown you how to enter hours into a timesheet within Mamut Online Desktop. More tutorials can be found on our website.